Hi sir, good morning. Myself Viraju from ECC section. Today's my topic is zero of complex functions. Introduction to zeros of complex functions. The zeros of a complex function are the points where the function evaluates to zero. Understanding zeros is fundamental in complex analysis as they provide insights into the function's behavior. This preparation will cover definition, definitions, theorems, and applications related to zeros of complex function. Definition of a complex function. A complex function is a function that maps complex numbers to complex numbers. It can be expressed into the form f of z is equals to u of x comma y plus of x comma y, where z is equals to x plus iy. Here u and v are real valued functions of two real variables x and y. Complex function definition and example. Finding zeros of complex functions. To find the zeros of a complex function, set f of z is equals to 0 and solve from z. This format is a format involves solving and system of equation derived from the real and imaginary part. Find all zeros plus or minus 1 comma z 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 10 comma 12 x power 4 minus 4 f of fx power root 3 plus 7 x square minus 16x plus 12 is equals to 0. The solution are the solutions are the points in the complex plan where the function in intersect the original. The fundamental theorems and all algebra. The fundamental theorems of algebra states that every no concept polynomially has a leads one complex root that the polynomial function of degree n has extremely n zeros in the complex plan connecting multiples. The theorems relates to components of the complex number system compared to the reals. Fundamental theorems of algebra. All degree of polynomial is equals to number of roots. Multiplicity of zeros. The multiplicity of a zero of refers to the number of times z minus z0 compare has a factor of f of z. A zero of multiplicity m implies that f of z behaves like z minus z 0 near z minus 0. Higher multiplicities can lead to more complex behavior, such as tangential intersections with the axis. Single zero, zero with multiplicity 2, 0 with multiplicity 3. P is equals to 1, P is equals to 2, P is equals to 3. Analyticity function and zeros. An analyticity function is a complex function that is differentiable in the neighborhood of every point in its domain. By the identity theorem, if an analyticity function has a zero of infinity multiplicity at a point it is definitely zero in the neighborhood. There is probability emphasizes the significance of zero in determine the nature of an analytic function. Analytic function definition: a function if a function f is a analytic and zero if the following condition is fulfilled. First point, f is a divisible at 0 naught z naught. Second point, that there is exists and neither would be of z naught such that f is a divisible and every point of v. Definition: a function which is analytic of the whole of C is called an integrate function. Theorem: a polynomial function is analytic at every point of C. E is an extra function. A rational function is analytic at such point of is domain. Application of zero in complex analysis. Zero has a critical in various application, including counter intersection of residual calculus. They can also be used to find polynomials and analyze the behavior of Mahomet's function. The understanding the distribution of zero has implication in the field fields such as and engineering, particularly in signal process theorem. Rover's theorem provides a method for containing the number of zero of complex function within a continuous. It is a state that is two function satisfy central condition of a condition. They have the some number of zero inside it. The theorem is a powerful tool is complex analysis for estimating zero without solving the equation directly. The Rohan theorem, the z power 5 and the 5z square plus 3 is equals to 0. Example of finding zeros consider the complex number. The example illustrates process of finding zero in a basic polynomial function. The conclusion and the importance of zeros. Zeros of complex function are integral to understanding the function's overall behavior and properties. The play of a crucial role in the application of complex analysis in variance field. A future study of zero can lead to deeper insights into both theoretical and practical aspects of mathematics and related disciplines. reference. Feel free in only of explain. Thank you, so.